Okay, how are you guys? How is everybody doing? Please, if you have questions, I'm waiting also for messages in the YouTube chat. Please, first of all, as you already know, it's important to read the disclaimer to understand the risks, and yeah, that the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. So very important. And if you have questions, you can send an email to support. So today I will talk about the US data, and I will try to catch something like a potential maybe gold long. Of course, if the US data will come in worse than expected, because please take a look here. One moment, because I have to. Okay. So something like this. So later the US is to release its advanced GDP, okay, and this is seen as a high impact event. Most likely the volatility will be high around this high impact event. Also, unemployment claims, durable good orders, core durable good orders, new home sales later. So the US data could be decisive today. And that's why let's take a look, and let's start with the DXY, and then I will take a look on commodities, on gold, silver, US oil, US equities, cryptocurrencies. So I'm here, guys, and I'm waiting for your messages, for your questions. If you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me your time frame. If you are bearish, if you are bullish, if you are your levels, yeah. And personally, I will try to answer to your questions. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I've talked about the dollar index earlier today, and I've said that personally I've catched this rebound here. I was long on the US dollar with that Australian dollar US dollar trade, yeah. Right now it has taken out the immediate downtrend line. So I've said earlier today, guys, that in that market breakdown video, that the dollar index could rebound after registering only a false breakdown with great separation through 101.52. Okay, but I've said that it could only come back higher, and then it could turn to the downside. It could drop again after reaching these major maybe and strong supply areas and supply zones. Okay, so right now probably only a temporary rebound. The pressure is still high. The bearish is bias, guys. Sorry, the bias is bearish. Sorry, and as I've said, we cannot exclude a potential deeper drop if the US data will come in worse than expected. In my opinion, only better than expected data could help the DXY to jump higher towards these supply areas, could force the US dollar to appreciate versus its rival. So yeah, I will take a look on the US dollar, but first of all, let's take a look on gold and silver, US oil, and then I will take a look on majors, on US equities. So about gold, yeah, I've talked about gold in my video analysis today. Right now it has found the support here, right on this former high 1935, and one moment. Yeah, it seems that you don't have questions. I'm still waiting for your messages, guys. Don't forget. So, as I've said, it has found the support here on this former high, but it's risky right now. It's risky to place a trade right before because in less than 9 minutes we'll have the US data, advanced GDP price index, and unemployment claims, very important economic data. And in my opinion, if the US data will come in if the US data will come in better than expected, then probably the price of gold could come back to test which as an uptrend line, the medium line, maybe this former low here, and then I will look for potential longs. But I've talked about gold earlier in my video earlier today in my video analysis. You can watch it again. You can find it in the groups or YouTube channel, because personally I would like the price maybe to come back down to retest the demand zone before turning to the upside. So right now I'll wait, okay? And right now it stands above this immediate support, okay, 1935, and probably making a new higher high here, taking out this immediate high and 1900. Can you look at New Zealand dollar Japanese yen on 15 minutes? Yeah, but please tell me what you are looking at on that market. Yeah, you want to buy, you want to sell? Thank you. If the US data will come in worse than expected, and the poor US data could force the yellow metal to rebound, to come back higher, in my opinion. Probably after these false breakdowns, maybe on lower time frames, if we'll take a look, and invalidating this immediate supply, and probably on lower time frames, maybe we'll have something like a long opportunity. But yeah, maybe I would like the price also to come back here to retest this before turning to the upside. Okay, so right now I'll wait. Right now we have something like a sideways movement, and maybe this could represent a downside continuation pattern distribution if the US data will come in better than expected. Okay, or staying above this level, a new higher high, and worse than expected data could force the price of gold to come back higher. Silver. So yeah, I will take a look on that market. Sell. Okay, I will take a look. Juan, can you look? GBP Japanese yen sell high. On what time frame? British pound Japanese yen. Okay. Yeah, silver rallied. Surprisingly or not, it has rallied, and right now it challenges an immediate supply area. We have a supply zone here as well. So yeah, now better than expected US data, and staying probably below 23.977 could force the price of silver to come back down. But yeah, here on silver, maybe I'm looking for shorts after this rally. Maybe I will look for potential shorts. But yeah, it remains to see, because in 5 minutes, in 6 minutes, we'll have the US data. The US data. And the US data will have a big impact on this market as well. So right now it's supply, but no, I don't want to sell only because the price reached a supply. This could still be only a reaction. How will data outcome affect the USD CAD pair, sir? Yeah, as I've said today in my market breakdown, also in my daily video, the US data will have a big impact. Okay, will have a big impact on the US dollar, on silver, on gold, probably on the Japanese yen as well, maybe on and probably on Bitcoin as well, on the cryptocurrencies, on US equities. So, but yeah, I've said, yeah, if the US data will come in better than expected, then the US dollar could try to appreciate, okay, could appreciate in the short term. And worse than expected data, yeah, could force the US dollar to lose more ground versus its rival. So yeah, I've talked about this, okay, how the economic data will impact, how will impact the US dollar, how what impact will have on the US dollar. So right now retest here, but yeah, less than 4 minutes before the economic data. I don't want to place a trade right before the economic data, and I will update also the group. Yeah, it has invalidated it for now. Yeah, because silver rallies right now, it could hit maybe this supply area, because please take a look here. New home sales, the traders are expecting a worse than compared to the previous reporting period data. Worse data compared to the previous reporting period. Worse data also here. Good trade balance, unemployment claims, worse data compared to the previous reporting period. Okay, here core durable good orders, yeah, as well. So yeah, it's very, very important. Let's refresh the economic calendar, because in less than 3 minutes we'll have the economic data here in silver. If it reaches also the medium line here, because I have an ascending pitchfork, okay, as dynamic resistance. If it registers only false breakouts, tests, retests, could bring me a potential short opportunity, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look on. So I've talked about. I will take a look on the Japanese yen after the economic data, because right now falling wedge on gold. What? 1.50 means upside potential. So I've talked about which coin should I buy for tomorrow, sir. I don't know. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm here to share my my analysis, my trades, my opinions. So it's up to you. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so I cannot tell you what to do. Yeah, it's your call. But if you want to follow my trades, yeah, it's fine. And my trade management. So yeah, about gold. What, on 15 minutes? On gold, 15 minutes, upside potential, falling wedge. What falling wedge? On 15 minutes, this one, maybe, but this is a channel, or this one. Yeah, but yeah, it's still far from being confirmed in my opinion right now. So yeah, as I've said, I'll wait less than 1 minute before the economic data, and let's see if we'll have something after the economic data. It's a potential setup. And I will answer to your questions as well. I will take a look on British pound, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, but please be patient, guys, and don't forget to like the video. And if you want to join our VIP groups, so the Forex group, the swing trading group, the crypto group, the VIP groups, you can access the link posted right below this video, and you can still use that code YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount. DXY as well. If the DXY test retests here, if it registers only maybe false breakdowns, maybe below 101.69 or something, a potential new higher high here could signal potential growth. And yeah, maybe I will look for US dollar. For US dollar, whoa, US dollar longs in the short term. Let's unemployment claims better than expected. I will take a look on my news terminal. So yeah, better than expected. US gross domestic product better than expected. I will one moment. I will share data into the VIP group, also in the also in the maybe swing groups, swing trading groups. Okay. So yeah, the advanced GDP better than expected, 2.9% growth. Yeah, prime wholesale inventories better than expected, unemployment claims better than expected, durable good orders better than expected, advanced GDP price index better than expected. So yeah, let's take a look. Whoa, yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing. Because it has rallied, but I will still look for potential US dollar longs. Yeah, I've said that. Yeah, so let's take a look. US dollar longs, very quick. So Euro USD, only if it only maybe if it will retest, because right now, please take a look. Yeah. It has erased Its losses, British pound versus the US dollar, maybe. But I don't like this this candle right now, but I will still look for US dollar longs, because this could be only a reaction, but yeah. Okay. So yeah, only good straight balance and core durable good orders came in, but yeah, only this one came in worse than expected, and that's why personally I will try to identify a US dollar long. Sorry. Do we have something here? Yeah, potential demand. USD Japanese yen. Yeah, a strong rally. But it doesn't matter right now. Yeah, I believe that we have a sell-off on gold. Yeah, we had that sell-off. I've talked about a sell-off. I've talked about this potential sell-off if the US data will come in better than expected. Shit, silver. We had that sell-off. Yeah, we already had that sell-off. So this is the thing, guys, because yeah, right now US dollar rallied, the metals, gold and silver crashed, but only because the US data came in better than expected. So that's why placing a trade, yeah, maybe placing pending orders right before the economic data, but it's risky because anything could happen. Okay, it could register sharp movements in both directions, and yeah, that's why it's risky maybe to. It's risky maybe to place trades right before high impact data, but right now maybe we'll have only temporary reactions. Personally, yeah, maybe the price, the dollar index could still try to retest maybe this demand zone or something before trying to come back higher to develop a larger rebound. So yeah, I'm still looking, and I will try to identify a US dollar long. Yeah, unfortunately, please take a look here. Yeah, that's why placing a trade right after maybe the economic data, yeah, to catch a potential to buy at market, to buy the USD at market, it would have been a mistake. Okay, because please take a look what happened here. That's why there are a lot of opportunities, guys, into the market. Also, later we can catch something really good. That's why personally I don't want to place trades only when I don't have something really good on, or maybe I'll wait for the markets to calm down, to cool down before I will catch something. So let's continue. So British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah, but also here, yeah, the British pound versus the US dollar escaped from a potential rising wedge here. Okay, right now it has retested the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. This is the medium line of the ascending pitchfork as dynamic resistance. Also here, resistance zone, supply zone, supply area. So yeah, probably here I will look for something. British pound versus the US dollar, but I don't like this candle. This spike. Okay. So 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, we have that demand zone. I believe that we have that, yeah, that demand zone, but so that's why I don't want to place something here. Maybe I would like the price to retest again here the resistance levels before turning to the downside or something. USD Japanese yen. Yeah. Only a false breakout here for now. But right now, no, I don't want to maybe to sell the USD, the US dollar. Yeah, probably a new lower low here could signal potential drop, but right now, no, I don't want to sell it. Yeah, I don't have something really good maybe here on this market. USD, Japanese yen. But yeah, nope. I don't have something on this market. USD CAD again. USD CAD. Yeah, we are in a demand zone here. So let's take a look on lower time frame. I will delete maybe my drawings. But yeah. Yeah, it has invalidated that immediate demand zone as well. So probably we'll have a reaction for in the short term, okay, and then probably the US dollar could still try to appreciate, okay, on the unexpected data maybe. Right now, yeah, also the dollar index is trading in the red. It has the dollar index crashed. So yeah, probably I'll wait for the dollar index to come back to retest probably the former lows or here to print something, because right now, nope. Yeah, supply area, supply zone. Yeah, that's why even if the economic data came in better than expected, I've said that the dollar index is under pressure, under downside pressure. USD, Swiss franc. Let's see. So 15 minutes here, demand zone. It has rebounded, but right now, so in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. US dollar versus. Please, guys, if you have questions, I will take a look on those markets, on the Japanese yen, on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, in 2-3 minutes. So please wait on cryptocurrencies, US equities, and if you have questions, please. I'm waiting for questions, and I will try to answer. Yeah, as I've said, I will try to answer to your questions. Nope. I really hate this this candle. I really hate the candle. That candle. But let's see, maybe I'll have something on the Australian dollar, US dollar again. Maybe. So yeah, this was my setup today. Very good. I've catch this sell-off here. Unfortunately, yeah, I've managed my position here around this imbalance. Yeah, but also it has failed to stabilize below 0.7099. And then it has rebounded, but personally I've closed it. I've managed my position. I've closed my position in profit. Good profit for an intraday trade. And probably I will have something maybe here again on this market. So right now we have something like a sideways movement, a range pattern probably here, and I believe that downside breakout could bring us something. Yeah. But unfortunately, right now, if I want to place a trade, where should I put my stop loss? My stop loss. Yeah, only a false breakout news out. Yeah, better than expected US data. I talked about the US data, and right now I'm trying to identify potential US dollar long. Maybe on lower time frames after reaching that that supply. We had something, but probably I don't like to place maybe trades here live, something like this on 1 minute, 2 minutes, because if you want to follow my trades, maybe you will not be able to catch those trades, because the price moves very, very fast in the short term, and yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. US dollar, Singapore dollar. US dollar, Singapore dollar. Now, I don't want to buy it here. Nope. US dollar, Mexican peso. Whoa. Yeah, probably I'll have to wait for something for the price maybe to come back down here on the US dollar versus the Mexican peso, or to invalidate this this supply zone, supply area, to make a new higher high. South African rand. Yeah, it has really okay. So probably maybe only on this market, on Australian dollar, US dollar. So 1 hour here. But unfortunately, I have all these demand zones, because the bias is bullish, guys. The bias is still bullish. Okay, but in the short term, maybe personally I would have liked to catch a potential USD long. DXY again. DXY again. William, can you check British pound, Australian dollar? But please tell me what you are looking at on that market. Okay. Can you check? Yeah, I can check, but you have to take a look on weekly, on 1 minute, on 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know. If I will take a look on monthly, will you be satisfied? I believe no. But so that's why. Please tell me what you are looking at, your time frame, your levels. If you are bullish, if you are a bull, a bear, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, please, guys, let's have a conversation here. Not only can you check, yeah, I can check, but yeah, I will not take bearish to 1.22 swinging. Okay. I will come back here on the British pound US dollar. So 1.22. What? GBP Australian dollar. $1.22. Okay. Euro USD, is there a good option for long? I don't know. I will take a look again on that market. I'm currently on a sell on British pound US dollar on a 4-hour frame, but lots of movement after news. Still okay. Personally, I don't have a trade right now in British pound US dollar, but I talked about potential sell-offs. Sorry, 1.72. Yeah, 1.72. So 1.72. So personally, I'm not trading on this market. I don't know. Are you? You are trading the British pound here or the Australian dollar? Yeah. Yeah, but maybe we had something after this rebound, selling opportunity right now. Maybe it's too late. Yeah, it has dropped and closed it below these former lows, but after this this massive drop, I don't know if it stays above this level. It could rebound or something. It could come back higher before extending its sell-off or something. So because after this amazing sell-off, it could rebound or something before extending its sell-off. So I don't know. Yeah, it has ignored the support levels, and yeah, maybe in the short term it could still try to extend its sell-off. Maybe head and shoulders pattern or something, neckline here, breakdown, retest before extending its sell-off. Okay, maybe. Maybe. Okay, so someone asked me about the British pound US dollar. British pound US dollar. Yeah, I've talked about the British pound US dollar. So you said that you are short. Yeah, it's still there, guys. It's still continues to stay up around and near the former highs, but yeah, I've said that personally. Yeah, personally, I was looking. I've tried to identify potential shorts today as well on this market, on the British pound versus the US dollar. But right now, you saw that the DXY dropped it despite positive US data. So probably I'll wait for the price to come back to retest the resistance levels, the supply areas, zones before I will try to identify a potential new short as well. Okay, because right now after this candle here, false breakdown with great separation, I don't want to place a traded market, and I don't know, maybe only a pending order. But here we still have this area, but maybe a pending order. But later I'll wait for the price maybe to retest maybe here. I will delete my drawings maybe. Yeah, to retest the supply areas here before turning to the downside. Yeah. Thanks for the advice. No, it's only my opinion. It's not an advice. It's not a recommendation or something. It's only my opinion here. Okay. Only my opinion. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Opinion, okay. Yeah, it's only an opinion, because I've told you guys I'm not a financial advisor, so I really hate this candle. Because maybe personally I would have placed it on sell stop, but right now I don't know if I still want to place pending order. Right now I'll wait. Yeah, I really want the price to hit the resistance here, the supply area, to register only false breakouts, and yeah, because no, right now, can you explain why you don't like the candle? Because this is a false breakdown with great separation below the former lows. Okay, it has dropped below these levels, and it has closed at far above these support levels. Okay, and yeah, it's a false breakdown with great separation, signaling that that the buyers are still very strong. Maybe here, signaling strong upside pressure. We had also that candle, yeah, also here. Okay, so that's why I really hate the candle. So yeah. Is my Euro Japanese yen short thesis still good? What about Euro Japanese yen sell on 1 hour? So what thesis? Yen 82. Yeah, I will talk about that market, because I've said I will talk about. So right now it seems that the dollar index is still under pressure, strong pressure. I'll wait for the dollar index to end its sell-off before I will look for new USD longs. Please take a look here. Australian dollar, US dollar challenges the former highs. Yeah, so that's why, again, false breakdown with great separation below 0.7099, signaling that the buyers are still strong, signaling strong upside pressure. That's why I don't like this candle. Okay, right now for a sell. Joining late, but have you talked about gold? Yeah, I've talked about gold, and I've talked about gold earlier today in that video analysis. Yeah, I really don't like the price action after the economic data. Sharp movements in both directions. No, maybe I'll wait for the price of gold to come back down to retest the support levels, demand zones before I will look for longs, or to come back higher before I will look for a sell. Okay, US oil. US oil approaches supply zones and selling zone. But yeah, maybe I would like the price to approach and reach this selling zone here. Okay, so Japanese yen, because it seems that you are interested in yen basket. Yeah, a sell-off. It was almost to hit. Let's take a look on higher time frame. Yeah, it has reached the demand zone here. A rebound. That's why the Japanese yen appreciated a little. But so euro Japanese yen. What about euro Japanese yen sell on 1 hour? I don't know. I've told you. I don't know. I will not tell you what to do, guys. When I'll have a trade, I will place it in my real account. I will share it into the VIP group, maybe also in the free group, but only in the free group maybe. So sell on 1 hour. Why do you want to sell it on 1 hour? Please tell me. Okay. So right now I don't think I have something really good on euro Japanese yen. 5 minutes. Yeah, supply zone. It's at supply, the false breakout maybe here, but maybe a potential short on lower time frames. If it stays below this level or below this level, yeah, it could turn to the downside. It could drop 1 minute maybe. This scenario could take shape, yeah, if the yen basket could rebound. But I really don't like what happened earlier here. Maybe I would like the price to come back down here and then boom. Okay, because we had this strong imbalance, strong buyers here around this area. So yeah, maybe I would like the price to hit this zone before boom. Okay. British pound, Japanese yen. Someone asked me about this market as well. Can we look GBP and Japanese yen sell? GBP and Japanese yen sell. Okay, thank you for your opinion. Yeah, thank you as well. Thank you. So right now, maybe I would like to sell the British pound versus, but we had something here. we had something here. We had something strong imbalance here. Maybe that's why we had these candles. But on lower time frames, I don't have a setup to trade. I might have missed it, but did you look at a short on New Zealand dollar US on 15 minutes? No, I will take a look in 1 minute. Okay, thank you. No, I don't have a selling setup right now. Maybe it could only drop a little before it will extend its growth. No, right now, no, I don't want to go short here or on the yeah, it has dropped a little in the short term, as I talked about it, but so let's take a look also on New Zealand dollar US New Zealand dollar Japanese yen for Mikhail Darfur. So 15 minutes, so you want to sell on 15 minutes, short on 15 minutes, a short on 15 minutes, maybe if the price will come back here. This is my opinion, okay? So that's why I'll wait before I will try to go long on the Japanese yen. I'll wait for the price to, because right now here on lower time frames it has reached a demand, a first reaction, retest, change of character, or it has break of structure here, something, and no, I don't want to sell it right now. It could drop a little, it could retreat to retest the immediate demand zones, but it could still jump higher. It could extend its growth. So maybe I will look for longs in the short term, personally, okay? Yeah, something like this. Yen basket. Because yen basket could still come back down, maybe. Could maybe. Thank you. Hey, yeah, it has reached this demand. It has retreated on 30 minutes, on 15 minutes, but yeah, I would like the price maybe, yeah, to come back down and here to print a bullish pattern before turning to the upside, okay? And only then I will look for Japanese yen longs, maybe, okay? Only then. Bitcoin. I talked about Bitcoin yesterday. I talked about this triangle on Bitcoin. Please take a look. Yesterday, false breakout, but right now the price of Bitcoin continues to stay above the broken downtrend line. It could still approach and reach that maybe that major supply zone, and probably I will look for potential shorts after reaching it, because please take a look here, okay? Rally, accumulation, consolidation, rally, accumulation, consolidation before extending its growth, and we cannot exclude a new sell-off from there, because right now, yeah, it has failed to come back maybe down here and to bring us a really good buying opportunity from around this imbalance here, maybe. Ethereum right below supply again. If you still have questions, guys, because if you don't have questions, maybe I will end the webinar soon if I don't have something on the British pound US dollar. Maybe I will still have something. Because it could only retest the supplier, the resistance levels before really turning to the downside. Let's try something here. Let's see if I'll draw something like this. Okay, so probably I will keep an eye on this pitchfork. An inside sliding line, and yeah, that's why false breakdown also below this inside sliding line. This could be a channel before extending its growth. Yeah, strange reaction. But maybe I will still send something here later if I will because I will still have to wait, but maybe I will have something later here in British pound US dollar. Probably on lower time frames, maybe around this zone, around this area, because no, maybe I don't want to place a sell stop, I don't know, something like this. No, because I've told you I don't like that candle, and I will look for shorts maybe from around the former highs, okay, on lower time frames. Yeah, after reaching maybe the supply areas and the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, major descending pitchfork. Yeah. Or if it fails maybe to come back higher, then yeah, probably I will still have to, or I will still look for a potential sell stop. US30. US30. Maybe potential shorts after reaching the immediate and near-term resistance levels, supply areas, and yeah, here in 20 minutes we'll have yeah, the US Open, and yeah, probably I will look for shorts here. US 100. Maybe we'll have something now. Maybe only on US 30. I will keep an eye on US 30 because I don't have important yeah, maybe only on US 30. Sorry. Right now the US equities rallied, increased a little in the short term, only because the US dollar depreciated, but maybe this will be my next trade, US 30, guys, because we have a supply zone here, we had a strong imbalance here, okay, and right now the price could still approach and reach this area, this zone, and probably I will keep an eye on that level, on this area here. Yeah, or here on But yeah, probably I will look for potential shorts. Of course, if the US dollar will try to appreciate. Okay, that's it for now. I don't have something really good, so that's why I don't want to place a trade. But in my opinion, the US dollar could could probably try to come back higher. That's why I will still try to catch something. US dollar long. Now it was probably here. Now on British pound US dollar, maybe that's this could be my next trade. British pound US dollar. This could be my next trade, maybe, or US 30. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to like the video. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have something really good. I'm still waiting for basket for confirmation also on because yeah, please take a look here. Yen basket could still come back down. That's why euro, Japanese yen is still up, is still there, is still bullish. British pound, Japanese yen is still up, is still bullish in the short term. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen is still bullish, so no shorts. 15 minutes now, maybe from here, maybe from around the former highs. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. See you next time, and I will come back with something really good as high probability trade later. Okay, bye bye. I will come back because right now I don't have something, and I don't want you to stay here. It seems that you don't have questions as well, so I'll wait, and I will try to catch something also, maybe in gold. Maybe in gold, if it reaches this zone here, maybe I'll look for a potential short. But yeah, candle, false breakdown of great separation. Yeah, okay. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.